If you've ever downloaded a game from itch.io and weren't sure how to open it, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how to extract itch.io games step by step so you can get from the download file to actually running the game on your computer. This is a super simple process, but if you're new to it, it can feel confusing at first. So I'll keep it clear, quick, and easy to follow. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech and gaming tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, after downloading the game from itch.io, open your Downloads folder. This is usually where your browser saves the file automatically, unless you change the location yourself. Look for the game file you just downloaded. It may appear as a compressed file, like a zip folder, or another archive format depending on how the developer packaged it. Once you find the file, double-click it to open it. On many Windows computers, this will open the compressed file in File Explorer or a similar archive view. If your system asks how you want to open it, just make sure you're using the default file extraction option or a program that can open compressed folders. After the file opens, look for the Extract button. This is the option that lets you unpack all the game files into a normal folder. Click Extract to begin the process. You'll usually be prompted to choose where you want the files to go. At this point, choose a location that's easy for you to remember. You can leave it in your Downloads folder, or you can create a separate folder for your itch.io games if you want to stay organized. Once you've selected the location, click Extract again to confirm. Now the computer will unpack the game files into that folder. This only takes a few moments in most cases. When it's finished, open the extracted folder you just created. Inside, you should see all the game files, including the executable file, usually labeled as in .exe on Windows. To launch the game, simply double-click the exe file inside the extracted folder. That should start the game normally. If the game doesn't open right away, make sure you extracted all the files and are opening the correct executable from inside the new folder, not the original compressed download. And that's it. You've successfully extracted an itch.io game and opened it on your PC. The key steps are download the game, open the file from Downloads, click Extract, choose a location, and then run the exe file from the extracted folder. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more easy tutorials like this. It really helps the channel grow and it lets you know when new guides are posted. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.